Hi 9th class students. Here in the last class we discussed the four identities. One is a plus b whole square. Second one is a minus b whole square. Third one a square minus b square. Fourth one x plus a into x plus b. These four identities we completed in the previous classes. Now today we are going to discuss that is a plus b plus c whole square, children. So this identity, how like we get the identity? That is a plus b plus c whole square identically equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. This is the identity a plus b plus c whole square. How we prove this one time, see children. LHS we need to take a plus b plus c whole square. Consider b plus c taken as d. So LHS becomes a plus d whole square since d equal to b plus c, which is in the form a plus b whole square model. A plus b whole square model formula: a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is a square plus 2ad plus d square. Now we need to substitute the values of d in the expansion. A square 2a into d means b plus c, d means b plus c whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus 2a into c, 2ac, b plus c whole square expansion is, which is in the form a plus b whole square, that is b square plus 2bc plus c square. Finally you got a square plus b square plus c square, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc ఇక్కడ ఉందమ్మా 2bc plus 2ac ఉంది, 2ac can be written as 2ca. So this is the expansion of a plus b plus c whole square. What is that? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. This is the expansion of identity a plus b plus c whole square, identically equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now using this identity we have to go through the take the screenshot and write in the classwork. Now we are going to do problems on this identity, the fifth identity, that is fifth identity. Keep in mind this is a plus b plus c whole square. Okay children, right. So in this expansion problems, page number 51, page number 51, example 19, expand 2a plus 3b plus 5 whole square, children. Example 19 we need to do. What is the problem? Expand 2a plus 3b plus 5 whole square. Simple problem. So in place of a we get here 2a, in place of b we get here 3b, in place of c 5. So using the proper identity we need to expand this one, 2a plus 3b plus 5 whole square, children, which is in the form a plus b plus c whole square. So this one is identically equal to, what is that? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So that a square means 2a whole square, b square that is 3b whole square, c square. So in place of c we get 5 here, 5 square, and 2ab, children, 2 into A means 2A, B means 3B. 2BC, 2 into B value is 3B, C place లో ఎంత ఉందండి 5 ఉంది. 3B into 5. 2CA, 2 into C means 5, A means 2A. 5 into 2A. 2A whole square means how much, children? 2A into 2A, that is 4A square. 3B whole square. 3B whole square means 3B into 3B, that is 9B square. 5 whole square is 25. 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 12AB. And 2 into 3B into 5. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. 30B. Plus 2 5s are 10, 10 2s are 20. 20A. This is the expansion of 2A plus 3B plus 5 whole square, children. Now we are going to discuss the problems on this identity. So let us see this one, page number 56, third Roman, first problem and third problem in the same pattern. Fourth Roman లో ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం ఒకటి, థర్డ్ ప్రాబ్లం ఈ మోడల్లో ఉన్నాయి, మీరు ట్రై చేయొచ్చు. అండ్ ఫోర్త్ ప్రాబ్లం ఆల్సో, చిల్డ్రన్. ఎక్కడ ఏమి ఇచ్చారంటే చూద్దాం ఒకసారి. A/4 minus B/2 plus 1 whole square. In place of A we get here A/4. In place of B ఇది ఇలా ఇచ్చారో చూడండి అండి ఒకసారి. A/4 minus B/2 plus 1 whole square. So you have to just a small replacement, that is small change. You have to write like this. In place of A you get A/4, in place of B you get minus B/2, in place of C 1. A plus B plus C whole square. Expansion you have to do. So these like you have to do the 3 problems in the exercise 2.5, 4th Roman 1, 2, 3 problems, children. Okay. Now we need to do the exercise example 20. Find the product of 5x minus y plus z into 5x minus y plus z. How we have to do this one? Find the product of example 20. Find the product of 5x minus y plus z into 5x minus y plus z. How we have to do this one? Simple logic. So how like we have to write this one? First of all, let us see. 5x plus minus y plus z into 5x plus of minus y plus z. So a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c, that is a plus b plus c whole square. You have to apply the identity a plus b plus c whole square, children. Okay, you have to do yourself this one. So 21 problem we have to do afterwards. Okay, bye children, this is the end of the class.